Hello kids! Today in Super Child we'll be learning about less than, greater than and equal to signs. So when two values are equal we use the equal sign. Here 7 is equal to 7. Also when one value is smaller than another we use a less than sign. 5 is less than 10. And when one value is bigger than another, we use a greater than sign. In this example, 10 is greater than 5. So, you all might be thinking, how can I tell those signs apart? Well, I'll explain a trick and you will get it very quickly. Understand the sign from left to right. On left there are two dots while on right there is one. So, 2 is greater than 1. Also understand the sign from left to right. On left there is one dot while on right there are two. Here 5 is less than 10. So let's learn with some more of examples. See kids, there are two carrots and on right side there are 4 carrots. So 4 is greater than 2. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cupcakes. And on right side there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cupcakes. So 6 here is greater than 4. See, there are 3 bunch of bananas on the left and on the right also there are 3 bunch of bananas. So 3 is equal to 3. On the left there are 5 balls and on right there are 3 balls. So here you can say 5 is greater than 3 or 3 is smaller than 5. Now kids, let's practice. Greater than sign, equal to sign and less than sign. 2 and 8. So what will be the answer? Yes, 8 is greater than 2. Now one more example, 11 and 7. So you can say 7 is smaller than 11. With one more example, 6 and 3. The greater than sign will come near 6. Yes, 6 is greater than 3. Now you all see the answer, 2 and 2. Very easy. Here we'll use an equal to sign. 2 is equal to 2. Hooray! I think you all did it. And I'm sure you all have got it.
Now, children, you understand now the use of greater than, less than and is equal to sign? Yes, it is super easy. So, let's do an exercise. So, all of you are ready with your maths textbook? Okay, open page number 22. Yes, open page number 22. Put the sign greater than, less than or is equal to. Children, we will compare two numbers and we'll put the correct sign greater than, less than or is equal to. Let's check out the first two numbers, 5 and 8. Children, which one is the greater number? 5 or 8? 8. Right? 8 is a greater number. So children, always keep it in your mind. The crocodile always eats bigger number. Right? So, this is crocodile mouth and it will be open to eat bigger number. Right? 5 is less than 8. So children, we will keep the mouth open on bigger number. Right? Okay. 3, 6. Which one is the bigger number, children? 6. So crocodile will eat bigger number. 6 is greater than 3, or you can say 3 is less than 6. 9, 4. Which one is the greater number, children? 9. So, keep the mouth open to eat 9 number. 9 is greater than 4. Okay. Who is going to tell me which one is the bigger number? 7 or 7? No one is, right? Yes, both are same number. So, we will keep the is equal to sign. 7 is equal to 7. 4 and 1. Which one is the greater number, children? 4. So, crocodile will eat 4 number. 4 is greater than 1. 2 and 5. Now, you can easily find out that 2 is less than 5. Isn't it easy, children? Yes. Children, maths is all about practice. So, we'll give you worksheet to practice these signs greater than, less than and is equal to. So, check it out and solve it.